After the introduction of all the personnel that took part in this extensive survey of the natural resources in the Ifite Ogwari Campus of the Nnamdi Azikiwe University, now we take a look at the various soil profiles that we dug and of course assessed and sampled in the course of this study. Now you can see different soil profiles with different properties, some with water at the bottom, and of course you can see that water is actively coming out of the ground even as we assess the profiles. Sometimes we have to use buckets to get the water out and then continue with the profiling. Now in some sites, just like here, you see the bucket used to kind of get the water out of the profile before assessments. In this particular profile, you can see there's an upland profile with absolutely no water at the bottom. Here you have little water at the bottom, here no water at all. These soils are different and they are located in different sections, different physiographic units of the site. In this particular area, we didn't even have to dig a soil profile because water is on the surface, so there's no point digging. So it's quite diverse, and of course, thanks for coming along with us as we move through the site.